If you're looking for a method that doesn't use a PC. Today we'll be explaining how you're going to recover it. How are you going to recover your cell phone if it won't let you get to the home screen? If it doesn't let you fix it? If you have used many tools and have not been able to? We also have a video with tools to help you recover it. Latest Android updates where we will be explaining it. Everything step by step. What are we going to do, In the video description and in the first pinned comment we will be leaving aside methods with tools and other methods without the need to use a PC. A method also without a PC. We'll also be in the video description. We're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Now what you're going to do is click on Next until it takes you where that screen lock appears and where that Google account appears. You're going to wait, you're going to get to that point. And from there you'll be doing all those recoveries. We'll wait here a few seconds and then we'll arrive to that section to provide a solution for this recovery. Because it's recommended that you watch this video step-by-step tutorial so you don't miss any details. Also, leave us a comment. So, what did you think of this video and did it work correctly for you? Because, sometimes it happens that suddenly not all of those things work out. Configurations that we will be making here in this video tutorial. Suddenly something else comes to mind for you. If you leave us a comment, please tell us which models you're using and what isn't working for you so we can help you to solve this problem, because the idea is that you can solve it too. You can do it now, We're going to get to where that screen lock appears. And that Google account is where we'll be doing all those recoveries. We'll wait a few seconds until we get to that section. Okay, now here we go, it's going to take us directly here. Let's wait. This is what you're going to see. Now what are you going to do? You're going to click here where it says, do not copy. Click here and you'll see what that block is of the screen that remained on our phone since we had forgotten that pattern. We forgot that password, so what we did was reset it. We formatted it, and it ended up like this, as it asks for here. It lets us get to the start page. Here it tells us to use my Google account. Here it tells us to use our Google account. Now what? Now it's asking for our Google account and all that. What are you going to do? Are you going to click here where it says forget? You're going to write this here and then here too. You're going to write this here too. You're going to come back. Write this and then click here P. Or 30 seconds you're going to do this if next. Next and next and next until that time has passed. After that time we will be finalizing what is this recovery with some adjustments that we will be making. Sometimes it happens that there are people who don't do exactly what we do from the beginning. They start the video and what they do is fast forward it, and they're always writing that they don't. It's working for them because they're not doing it the whole process correctly. If you miss any detail, you won't be solving this recovery problem. What you're going to do now is quickly return here to this section. Here we can see this accessibility option that previously, when this accessibility message appeared because our device was working. Okay, now what are we going to do? We're going to click here on the screen several times. You click it, you click back. You click here where it says add new network, and then what you're going to do? To find what this little Turkish girl that appears here is, you're going to click on her. Click here on the language menu, then click the 3 dots to update. You enable this and deactivate this, you click back. You click back, you click here. You deactivate this, you click here. You click here, now what will happen, you're going to click just once. Go back, you're going to click back, let's click it again. Now we click on this section. You click here, you click back once. Without leaving, because then you would miss out on all these options. After we've completed this section, click here on Reset. You're going to click here, then this option will appear here. You're going to click on it and then click here on Reset. We're going to reset this, we'll wait here, then we'll click again. Here it is deleting all that data. What are we going to do now? We'll go back here, then we'll try again normally. We configure it here, we click here, let's click here. Now what we're going to do is return. Again where that screen lock appears. That pattern, that password, we're going to get to that point. We're going to reach that point again and from. That's where we'll be finalizing this recovery. We will be providing a solution from there. This is what usually happens here, it takes us a little longer. Don't worry, we'll wait, we'll keep waiting. The other thing I want to point out is, if you didn't do it exactly as we did, I wouldn't be giving you that solution, I wouldn't be recovering your cell phone. That's why it's always recommended to view it from the beginning so you don't miss any details. Don't miss any details in this recovery. Now let's continue. Waiting, now it would take us here to this option. You're going to click here where it says, do not copy. You're going to click where it says, do not copy, and now it will show you what this screen lock is. You're going to click here where it says use my account from Google, and it would take us to where that Google account appears. What are we going to do now? If you have any SIM cards entered into the phone, you will remove them. You're going to click back, I'm going to turn off the Wi-Fi network and then turn it back on. Let's wait for it to turn off here. When it disconnects, you're going to click here, it says do not copy. You're going to give it more here, more, accept. You're going to click here on skip, you're not going to this, you're not going to add anything. Clicking skip here won't add anything. No screen lock or anything like that, just let it take you to the start. You click on skip, you click on next, here you go. Click finish, and that's all for this video tutorial.